Listen, kung feeling mo minsan stuck ka, drained ka, o wala nang nangyayari sa buhay, etong kailangan tandaan. Push. Pray until something happens. Hindi ito simpleng acronym. Battle cry ito. Mindset. Power move. Faith in action. Kahit gaano kabigat ang season mo ngayon, kapag nagpe-pray ka, hindi ka talo. Every prayer is a punch. Every prayer is progress. Every prayer is power. May mga araw na parang tahimik si Lord, pero hindi ibig sabihin wala siyang ginagawa. He's moving. He's aligning. He's preparing something bigger than what you asked for. Kaya kahit pagod ka, kahit naiinip ka, kahit gusto mo nang mag-give up, huwag. This is where you push hard. Pray when it's good. Pray when it hurts. Pray when you don't understand. Pray until the doors open. Pray until breakthrough comes. Pray until the impossible becomes possible. Because when you push, things shift. Heaven moves and miracle starts lining up. So today, takasan mo ang loob mo. Stand your ground and remember, push, pray until something happens. Your breakthrough is already on the way. Okay ba? Push lang.